If a car headlight looks like this, then it is not normal, and may need replacement of full headlamp cover. A little bit of condensation in the car headlamp is normal, and easily goes away within a few minutes, or hours. Actually, condensation in the car headlamp occurs during winter, when we drive our car in very cold weather, or heavy rain. Condensation on headlights may appear for many reasons, and condensation appearing in huge quantities needs replacement, as the sealing may get damaged, due to various reasons like manufacturing defects, or aging factor of a vehicle. One can easily remove the condensation in the car headlight using various methods, like removing the assembly of the car headlight, or using a hair dryer, but the annoying part is, the condensation on the headlight will come back again and again, which will leave us with no choice but to replace the headlight assembly with new ones. Here I am showing a small tip, how to remove condensation and prevent condensation on a car headlight. Please note, it will work only if the car headlight assembly has no leakage on it, or else one has to replace the headlight assembly. One of my car headlights looks like this, and even after removing the vapor inside my headlight, it comes back again and again. So, I open the cover of the headlight, through which the bulb is fitted. Every car headlight cover is different, but can easily be opened with our hands. After removing the car headlight cover, I drove my car during sunny day for 3 days, and all the condensation in the car headlamp disappeared. Do not drive in rain without the headlight cover, as rainwater may enter the headlight chamber, and damage your electric wiring of your car. This is a 14-year-old Ford car, and I have never replaced my headlight till date. You can see the shining of the 14-year-old headlight. This is silica gel pack, which are found in boxes containing electronics, or new shoes, and inside purses, or medicine bottles, which help food last longer by reducing the moisture in the packaging, and slows down the decay process and keeps food fresh longer. Silica gel is also used to keep the relative humidity inside a high-frequency radio, or satellite transmission system waveguide as low as possible, and can prevent condensation on a car headlight. It will not work if the car headlight assembly has leakage on it. I put 1 packet of silica gel inside the chamber of the headlight cover, to prevent condensation on my car headlights, and till date it is working fine. I tested it by driving it during rain, winter season, and night hours.